Indeed, it's me. Spoda. Heavy on the walk and talk, dogs. Know that. Flu, what's up? Yo,
let this
you
guy
say you rap a lot, but you don't rap enough. In fact, your rapping's whack, my rapping's tough. I spit food for thought and leave them stuffed. Smoke you like piff and leave you stuck. I'm in the building with both arms in the air, like what the fuck is up? Yup, flow been bout it, they know about it. When BS in front your face, it's easier to go around it. Y'all a bunch of jokes, y'all niggas clowning. I'm out the way getting my just due. If it's fuck me, then it's fuck you. Reciprocation till you get knocked out the box like eliminations. Listen, I've been on the run, second to none. Even in the Matrix, I'm the one like Neo. Niggas be fake, they giving Miss Cleo. I got this shit on locks, like that rapping trio. But it's really me though. Big Long Island, bigger Bay Shore, they know my stilo. Fuck out of here. They the less spoke in the game. This that dope for their veins. It's Dopeflizzy, nigga. They the less spoke in the game. This that dope for their veins. Come get with me, nigga.
Yo, who is this man?
They the less spoke in the game. This that dope for their veins. It's Dopeflizzy, nigga. They the less spoke in the game. This that dope for their veins. Come get with me, nigga.
Yo, who is this man?
Treat the grind like crunch time. I'm eating like lunchtime. Put my own work in. My clock, you can't punch mine. Get your own dog, like Pun said. So your set better dip before it's bloodshed. If you acting stupid, get dumb led. Your flow tired, nigga, go to bed. My bars like butter, baby, I got the spread. On some FanDuel shit, might as well call me oil, cause this man too slick. These bitches like finish lines, how I ran through chicks. For real, I do it big, on some shampoo shit. So how dare you pricks try to question my shit? It's dope flow, so the bars is destined to flip. A professional, and this is my profession and shit. My name in the top brackets, there, I was destined to get. I'm out here, don't you ever forget. Motherfuckers lit, I'm it. Spoke, they the less spoke in the game. This that dope for their veins. It's Dopeflizzy, nigga. They the less spoke in the game. This that dope for their veins. Come get with me, nigga.
Yo, who is this man?
They the less spoke in the game. This that dope for their veins. It's Dopeflizzy, nigga. They the less spoke in the game. This that dope for their veins. Come get with me, nigga.
Yo, who is this man?